So yeah, I'm in the car now. The pan roof just got me, bruh. Yo. Look at that, look at that. Hey. Right, the car don't sound bad. It's got a bit of, it's got some rust to it. What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is, come on, I don't know if it's episode 3 or 4, no, episode 3 of flipping cars. I got another car and it's a good one this time. It's an upgrade from the last one, and keep tuned, man. Right now I'm just gonna try and get the car ready for photos. Let me show you the keys. It's got 2 keys, service history. See, that's a Persia, innit? Let me go and show you the car. The moment of truth. Here it is. My God, it's raining. Persia 207. And the best thing about it is, it's got a pan roof, man. It's got the sunroof. It smells fresh in here. Before it smelled a bit like smoke, but I got these 2 air fresheners for it. Just why not to put 2 in it to over. I put these mats in it because they come with mats. As you can see, I got the mats in it. There's 110,000 miles on it. It's calm, man. It's a nice little car. Right now I'm about to turn it around in the driveway. Yeah, it's a nice little car, man. So yeah, I'm in the car now. The pan roof just got me, bruh. Yo. Look at that, look at that. Hey. Alright guys, what do you think? Should I keep this car and then sell the Fiesta instead? Because I just love pan roofs, man. I mean, the car's older, but it has less mileage than the Fiesta. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. We got these little armrests. Look, we got these little 2 armrests right here. I have one. Passenger can have one. But most time I use this one. So yeah, that's how it's looking, really. It's literally how it's looking. Got using some show shine on the car and stuff. And yeah, man, let me show you around the car. There's not really any flaws. There's not really any flaws whatsoever with the car, so let's get looking around the car. The wheels are in alright condition. This is the back. How the back's looking. I don't know what happened there though. Yeah, what the hell? Oh, I think they had like some tow bar on it. Yeah, I think it had a tow bar. So quite a decent little car, man. Obviously just on my driveway right now. I'm about to turn it around because a rear brake light's gone on it. So I'm just gonna change that real quick, even though it's raining. I gotta get it done. The graph can't stop. So yeah, I'm gonna get it off a sale. I've been looking, and they normally sell for like 1,200 in the thousands. So I'm probably gonna list this one up for 1,200. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition, man. 100%. I'm liking it. Right, the car don't sound bad. It's got a bit of, it's got some rust to it. Look, it's popping. It's not bad. It was popping, bruh. It was popping. Nah. But then it's got all the smoke coming out of it though. Was that right? I don't know if that's right or not. But let me show you what it's sounding like. Yeah, it's smooth broken, man. Which I don't know why. Anyways, I'm about to change the brake light. So got any spare wheel in there? It's got a spare wheel and a jack. Probably just got to take this off, then take the light off. Change the bulb. Doing this in the rain, but you know what, I don't care. The only other beaky thing that I don't like is this. That's just beaky, like look at it. So I'm gonna have to just wipe it off, take it inside and scrub it up. The other side's fine. But yeah, let's see what brake light doesn't work. Actually, since I can't see what light doesn't work, I'm gonna have to film what brake light doesn't work. Cameras here getting wet, so when I see which light ain't working, then I can choose. But no, it seems calm, man. It seems calm. Well, I just looked at the lights at the back and they're working, so I'm gonna return this then. I've got to shine up the car anyways, just shine up the car and to make everything look nice. So I'm just gonna work on the interior and you guys can see whatever I'm doing to the interior, so keep tuned. Alright, what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, some of these plastics are looking a bit dull than I'd like them to look, especially this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shine it, spray it up on that and just get it looking fresh. So that's what I'm gonna do. Clippings for everything, mate, you get me? Even the flipping dashboard, guys. Just make it all, it makes it look that extra new. Every flipping thing I'm gonna spray. Then I'm just gonna sort of rub it in a bit. But apart from that, the interior is literally already clean. Already. Down here is clean. Clean little car. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just keep cleaning it, and then yeah. So tomorrow's video is, because it's rained today, I'm gonna take the photos tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But this thing, I'm fixing it a bit better because it used to be all like this. So what I'm doing, I'm just using my nail. I know that's but just rubbing it off and it comes off, innit? Really, look, it all comes off. Literally. Coming off. I just got to keep doing that until it's fully flat, and then I'll be back with you on the finishing touch, on the finishing product. There you go, just shine up the interior. And just swap the camera real quick. This is the result of this. I mean, it's alright, but it's sellable. It's sellable. What else am I gonna do? I really want to get the photos taken and just get it up for sale, really. I really do. Right guys, I'm back. It stopped raining now. I just went to take some pics using portrait mode. So let me go and show you some of the pictures. Here's the listing of the car. I'm selling it for that price right there. And there's the listing. I'll show you the description. That's what I put for the description as well. And yeah, got the car for sale. There's some nice pictures, not gonna lie. It was raining that day though, but I dried the car quickly. I just got the pictures taken. Got the full service history, and yeah, that's all the pictures really. That is all of the what do you call it? What's it called? Pictures. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and support the thing as I always say. I'm on the road to 700 subscribers. Maybe by the time this video is out, I've hit 700 subscribers. But yeah, bless up, man. I'll update you when the car has sold or if anyone has come to see the car. I'm blessed, man.